You're an entrepreneur or you're a founder or a CEO or you're a leader or you're an HR professional and you're thinking about how to inspire your team to get bigger thing and get more productive and get more amazing thing done for your company. So congratulations, you found the right video, because in this video I'm going to tell you a complete story and step-by-step process how you can use autonomy to inspire your team to do great result for your team and improve your product significantly. So let's get started. I want to start the story of a real life story. I want to tell you this one that you probably know this company already. So there is a two Aussie entrepreneur who founded a company named Atlassian, and then back then by their own money, which is like basically $10,000 only, and they've been bootstrapping, and now that company grown to a big enterprise solutions for all over the world, and they even acquired Trello, they acquired many other companies, Zira as well too, and then providing solutions for different other clients all over the world. But how that really happened, that kind of big success from a bootstrapping company? Because they have been focusing about autonomy. So how you can use the autonomy on your company, I'm going to tell you, which is also the similar kind of approach they implemented for their company, and that make the Atlassian so successful in terms of their product innovation and product development, and which boost them for great customer success. So first thing, so give like a half day off to your all employees in your team and tell them to work on any idea they want to work with. And basically you give them half day off. You could be giving them Thursday afternoon. You take the Thursday afternoon off and you work on any ideas you want to do and bring it on as a great progressions of doing that work. Like an example, you have to show that work should bring something on the table for the everyone teams to work on after that one, because it's going to be a great value. So you need to work on very clearly that how is going to add value to the company. And so now the second day, what did you do? You organize a chocolates and cakes and other thing in the afternoon, in Friday afternoon. You tell each of them to present their idea to the rest of the people. And when they are presenting their whole idea, basically you can give them 30 minutes to present, which is the step number 3 is about telling them to answer each of the question and answer from other people. Each of the questions should be answered and addressed. If the presenter don't know yet, that should be documented and need to follow up later on as well too. And number 4, so during that every week process, pick the great ideas and really craft them together to your product developments or organization development and blocks. And then the next step is about you start to implement them, not just implement them by other people, but the idea who really came together to implement for the company, you can actually give them the leadership role to implement that idea to your company. So because their idea, so they are more keen to see how it really works. And that leads to the step number 7 is about when the idea become really successful, highly incentivize them. You can incentivize them in different way. You can give them a ESOP option for your company. You can give them different kind of extra cash monetary. You can promote them as well too. Highly incentivize them, because if you don't do that, because this is the way many company does it wrong. They finally don't want to reward them. They think that I'm not sure. If you're not sure, why did you pick that idea? That's the point. If you're sure already, you already picked that idea. So now you give them the best possible reward back to those team players who really bring up the great idea, and that reward will really bring them forward. So here's the 7 steps I just mentioned. It worked for multiple companies, and I just gave you one of the example of an Atlassian. In a Pro Academy, we similar kind of thing we also implement, where we request every team members to bring ideas and present to the rest of the other people, and that works amazingly with the great ownerships as well too. So if you are really focusing about building an innovative culture, so when we bring up or you want to building an amazing product, you can practice these 7 steps. And if you do it for 6 months, you will see significantly improvement. If you do it for 3 months, you will already get a great ROI of letting the 30-minute half day out on Thursday and maybe half day on Friday for a great product development for your progress. So if you have any questions to how to implement this on your question, go ahead and comment below. Myself and my team definitely gonna give you an answer. And at the same time, if you're already trying that approach and if you find any challenge, go ahead and comment below too. Myself and my team definitely gonna give you an answer. And here we go. Welcome back to the VSHR Pro Academy channel. We give one video every day for helping your companies and your professionals to be successful. So go ahead and subscribe to as well so you can keep receiving our great skill development, success tips for your company to take that forward. All the best.